Hello guys, and welcome back to our next lesson. During our previous lesson, we saw how we install WordPress on our website and also perform some basic setup. And in this lesson, I will be showing you how we select a theme for our website. Take note, a theme is basically the design and layout of your website. That is what we have right here. So to install a theme, I go over to Appearance. On top right here, I click on Add New Theme. From here, you get a bunch of themes you can use on your website. For this demonstration, we are going to use Blocksy. I have Blocksy right here. I click on Install. Then I go ahead and activate. Upon installing the Blocksy theme, you see I have this notification right here, which is telling us to install a plugin called Blocksy Companion. With this plugin, you'll be able to add additional functionality to your Blocksy theme. So I go ahead and install it. It is installed and activated. Upon installing it, you'll be taken to the Blocksy dashboard. From here, you can do some additional functionalities which we are not going to be going into. Now, if I go to the front end of my website and refresh, you see the new look and feel of my website. So that's it on how we install a theme on our website. You can check on the screen right now to go to the next lesson, or you can also go ahead and check the complete playlist to the course. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.